brought some ground cover. They call it ground cover online, and it's a variation of different grasses and clover. It's all supposed to be good for wildlife, any wildlife or farm animals. And you just put it down and cover with 1 or 2 inches of mulch, a compost, and back behind us.
Yep.
After just 2 weeks, we can see the results.
Yep. This way our chickies will have lots to eat, and it's relatively free because it's going to keep on growing, right?
Yeah, it's perennial.
Perennial? Yeah. Awesome.
And then may have to water it a little bit because right now we're having abundant rain.
Yeah. That's putting it gently. We're having look at this. We are having a lot of rain constantly. Well, that's good. Did you guys plant any back by the door?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, awesome. So is it okay to step on it? Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah, it's just the ground. Well, Bumblebee. Hello, honey. Are you excited to see me? Oh, you guys think I have a treat. I better go get a treat in a minute. I'd like to think they love me for who I am. I think they love me for my treats. I really do. I think they might love me a little bit for who I am. Look at those guys. Look at them. They want treats. Here they've put down the mulch where they planted a whole bunch of seeds.
Oh, by the way, that compost is from over there.
Oh, yeah.
6 months, maybe 8 months old, and it's really good. It putting the chicken bedding down there really added to it.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know you guys took from there. That's awesome. Yep. That was our compost heap. I've been putting all kinds of stuff on there. Apples and spinach, anything we don't eat, the cores, and just any rotted piece of anything. And of course, as he said, the pine shavings, the bedding. We are doing the deep litter method, but we are right now balancing our ventilation. And so sometimes just to make sure we're getting it right, we move some of the bedding out because we just want to make sure that we're keeping our animals very safe. We do have to up our ventilation game in there. Right now there's just not the time, and most of the time it's been raining for like 4 to 6 weeks on and off. So we just have not been able to do any type of coop projects like that. Okay, I'm back and I brought a treat, of course. Now, Bumblebee, you gotta share. Bumblebee, you gotta share. Here, roosters. Here, roosters. Bumblebee, you gotta share. You gotta share with these poor roosters. Chickens make the funniest sounds. What? Oh, somebody got a big chunk of apple and they're running with it. Yes. Well, I hope everybody has a great day out there. Hope it's a little drier where you are. Bye.